Hi, Lou Manfredini, Aces Home Expert, and in this video, we're going to show you drywall repairs for beginners. So maybe you have a hole in a wall from a doorknob, or maybe there's a big gouge that is somewhere that you need to patch. You've got some options on how to get this to look brand new again. It comes from first getting the right material to use. So you can either buy wall spackling or joint compound. For this one, we're going to be using a wall spackling that kind of has the consistency of a joint compound as well. You're going to need a few tools: a mud pan, a mud knife, and possibly some fiber mesh tape, or if it's a hole, we're going to use one of these metal patches that are self-adhesive that are really kind of nice. So you're going to first clean up the hole so it's as smooth as possible. I'm going to take the metal patch and put it over the top of the hole. It's going to stick right to the drywall over the top. You just need to make sure that the patch is bigger than the hole. These do come in different sizes. Then you're going to take the joint compound and you're going to apply that first coat over the top. Now, the mistake that a lot of people make is you try to do too heavy of a coat the first time, and then what happens is too heavy, it shrinks, it doesn't look good. So you're going to apply a nice thin coat just to set it, and now walk away. Let that dry, typically overnight. Then you're going to come back and do a second coat over the top of that, and then getting a little bit wider with the second coat. You're going to allow that to dry, and most likely you're going to do a third coat as well. The idea is that each time you apply the spackling / joint compound, you're getting wider to cover up what was there. And then when that's all done, you can sand it, or you can use a wet sponge if you want to avoid the dust, and then prime it, paint it, and you're done. Coming up next, my video on how to choose the right spackle / joint compound.